So once again, we have a situation here where we can see limit is tending to infinity, but this time negative infinity makes the question little bit of difference of what we have discussed in the previous two videos. So this is limit extends to in minus infinity, and this is the function which is given, square root of 4x square minus 7x plus 2x. So हमें एक चीज समझना है कि that whenever we encounter such a question जहां पे limit is tending to minus infinity, what we can do, we can change the variable of the function. अभी तक variable x था, इस variable को हम manipulate कर सकते हैं. That is, let us assume let y is equals to minus x. बस एक छोटा सा assumption हमें करना है कि y का value minus x है. That means if x is tending to minus infinity, y will definitely tends to positive infinity. To make the variable tending to positive infinity only, we have done this adjustment that y is equals to minus x. And this y is equal to minus x, we have to substitute throughout the function. As in, the very next step becomes what? Limit y tends to infinity. This is square root of 4x square. So when we square, we get y square only. Now minus 7x will now become plus 7y, and plus 2x will now become minus 2y because of this substitution. Y equals to minus x. So what is the question? Limit y tends to infinity, square root of 4y square. Instead of minus 7x, we got plus 7y since we substituted minus x with y. And outside we had plus 2x, which now becomes minus 2y. Once again, since we made the substitution of minus x with plus y. Now, this is our question to be taken care of. And this question exactly looks the similar way which we have done the previous ones, because it is only tending to infinity. But इस question को हम तब तक analyze नहीं कर सकते या proceed नहीं कर सकते until we rationalize the function. So it now becomes limit y tends to infinity. This is square root of 4y square plus 7y minus 2y. This is the original question given to us. हम इसके conjugate से multiply करते हैं. So this is 4y square plus 7y plus 2y, and the same factor in the denominator, square root of 4y square plus 7y plus 2y. The next step may we see, this is limit y tends to infinity. This to a minus b into a plus b format. They gave us 4y square plus 7y without root, and this is 2y का whole square. Denominator में we have square root of 4y square plus 7y. Outside we have plus 2y. Now we get to see this 4y square and this 4y square got cancelled. So हमारे पास अब क्या बचा है? Limit y tends to infinity. In the numerator we have 7y, and denominator the same term, 4y square plus 7y plus 2y. Now, since infinity is involved, हमें फिर से वही करना है, infinity को denominator में लाना है हर एक term के. So highest power of the numerator is just y power 1, and highest power of the denominator we can see once again it is y power 1, because y square inside the square root gives y power 1. So पूरे equation को y से divide कर देंगे ऊपर और नीचे. So limit y tends to infinity. जब हमने ऊपर divide किया, it becomes only 7. नीचे में स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर डिवीजन कैसे होगा, हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में भी देखा है. जब y को स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर प्रोवाइड करोगे, सो इट गोज एंड बिकम्स y स्क्वायर. And this fellow 2y when divided with y will give us just 2. So outside the square root we have a 2 in the denominator. Now this we evaluate. This is limit y tends to infinity once again. ऊपर में just 7, and नीचे what we can see, this is square root of 4y square by y square will give me just 4 plus 7y by y square. This will be 7 by y. As we can understand, we have taken 4y square by y square. Y square cancelled. We got a 4. And when we divided 7y by y square, y and y got cancelled. We got 7 by y. With that plus 2 outside, that will still come outside this. It is now in a position to substitute the limit. So 7 upon square root of 4 plus 7 upon infinity plus 2. This value we know it is 0. Square root of 4 plus 0 is square root of 4. Square root of 4 will give us 2. So final answer is 7 upon 2 plus 2. That is 7 upon 4. This is the answer to this question.